Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do unbox the Poco M3 Pro. And guys, and this is a new mid-range phone from Poco which is costing around 32,000 PKR on Pakistan market. And guys, in this price range we have 4GB of RAM with 64GB of internal storage, and also the color I have is the power black color, and also we have high-res audio on this phone. And guys, and this phone also has a 5G because this phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset on this phone, which is based on 7nm architecture. So now let's quickly unbox the Poco M3 Pro, and now let's see that how is the Poco M3 Pro is gonna look like, because I also have the Redmi Note 5G as well, and both phones is very similar. Only difference is that we get a different design on the Poco M3 Pro. So guys, and the first thing, we get a 1-year warranty card because this phone is officially launched in Pakistan market. So here is the box of the Poco M3 Pro, and you can see we have a yellow box. So now let's quickly open this box, and guys, we also have a 6GB of RAM with 128GB of variant as well, but this is the 4GB of RAM with a 64GB of variant. And guys, on the top we get one more mini box, and guys, inside of this box we get a simulation tool, and also we get a Poco stickers, and that's a really unique thing. And guys, we also get a quick start guide as well as a safe information. We also have a warranty card information as well, and guys, we also get a soft silicone case with the Poco M3 as well, M3 Pro, and you can see. So guys, here is the device, M3 Pro 5G, and you can see. So now let's out the phone from this box, and you can see. And guys, again, on the front we have 6.5-inch Full HD IPS LCD display with a 90Hz refresh rate, and also we have 5000 mAh of battery size with 18W fast charging. On the back we have a 48MP AI triple cameras on the back again, and this phone is powered by Dimensity 700 chipset, which is based on 7nm architecture. So guys, here is the black color. So now let's out the phone from this plastic, and guys, you can see that here is the Poco M3 Pro 5G, and you can see. And guys, on the back we get a very big Poco logo, and you can see. So guys, now let's quickly boot this phone up, and now let's see what else we get other than the phone. And guys, and the first thing, we get a cable, and you can see we get a USB Type-C cable with the Poco M3 Pro, so that's a very good thing, and you can see. And guys, we also get a charger with the Poco M3 Pro as well, and you can see. And guys, and this is a 22.5W adapter, but the Poco M3 Pro maximum support 18W. And guys, and here is the first boot of the Poco M3 Pro 5G, and you can see. And guys, again, and the first impression about the display quality, I have to say that we have Full HD IPS LCD display, and the colors, it is really average on this phone. On default it is on 60Hz, so now let's go 90Hz, and now it looks really smooth. So guys, now let's go about phone, and you can see this phone is running on Android 11, so that's a really good thing. And also we have MIUI version 12 on this phone. We have a 64GB of internal storage out of 46.42GB it is available for you guys. And guys, again, we have a 5000 mAh of battery size on this phone. So now let's see the fingerprint scanner speed, and you can see. And the fingerprint scanner speed is also not the fastest, and you can see it take a little bit about 1 second. So guys, now let's look at the camera. And guys, on the back we have a triple cameras. As you can see, we have 48MP main camera, and also we have a macro and a depth sensor, no ultra wide lens on this phone in video mode. And guys, on the back camera maximum shoot Full HD at 30fps. We also have a Pro mode, we also have a portrait mode, and you can see. In the mode section we also have night mode, as we also have a 48MP mode as well. And guys, we also have a slow motion on this phone. So guys, now let's see the front camera. And guys, on the front we have 8MP selfie camera, I believe. On the front we also have a portrait mode. Guys, on the front camera maximum shoot Full HD at 30fps as well, no 4K on this phone. Overall, I have to say regarding the Poco M3 Pro, and you can see, and the display it is really average on this phone, but the processor on this phone, it is really good. We have a Dimensity 700 chipset on this phone, which also support 5G as well. So now let's talk about the battery life of this phone. And guys, and this phone has a 5000 mAh of battery size, and also we have a Dimensity 700 chipset, which is based on 7nm architecture. And guys, and this phone give you at least 1 day of battery life on heavy use as well. without any problems. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Poco M3 Pro. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.